Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily send feedback to the CapCut team. So if you are facing some issue or problems on CapCut, you can just report it or send the feedback to the CapCut team so you can find a solution or maybe a feedback from the team. So here, what you need to do is just go to the settings at the top right corner, click on the gear icon and find this feedback option, and here find the related issue that you are facing. For example, you are facing a problem in audio editing, so you can just click on the category, or if you cannot find category in here, you can just click on the give feedback at the bottom. So let's try to choose one of the issue, and here you can describe the issue that you are facing and how the CapCut team can help you. For example, you can just describe in here. For example, my audio is not my audio button is not working, for example. And after that, you can upload some evidence so the CapCut team will see what problems that you are facing. You can upload photos, up to 5 photos, a video, or also you can upload a draft. And after this, you need to insert your email and just click on send, and after that CapCut team will send you feedback or a response to your problems through this email that you insert in here. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.